Subscribe if you're tired of sitting in the house. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a makeup look, semi chit chat, but some of it I'm just playing music for you guys because I did not know how this is going to turn out. And actually, the eye look actually came out better than I thought, but I was about to make this a scratch, girl. But yeah, so this is just a playing some makeup during this quarantine type of makeup look. So if you're new to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps me out. We're on a roll and we want to keep going and adding more of you to the family. So yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is free. It is right there, that red button or the red words. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look and what products I use, then keep on watching. All right, so starting out with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I just toned my face with the Kiehl's Calendula toner, and I'm going in with another full coverage type of foundation today. So yes, so how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Comment down below if you shopped this Sephora sale and you still have not yet gotten your package. I have not got my package yet, so I'm not able to share with you guys just yet what I got, if that's the case. A lot of things have been definitely delayed because of what's going on. I know some cities have opened up. Let me know down below if your city has opened up. I'm going to be going in with this Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. It's a pollution and blue light defense primer, and it looks like this. I never really used this. I think I only used it like once or twice, but it's supposed to help the skin from blue light defense. Let me see what the back says. Blue light rays. But it's very hydrating. Very, very hydrating. Notice I have not done my brows yet. I'm going to do that right now. But I wanted to show you guys. I do have a brow tutorial here on my channel, so definitely check that out. I'm going to be going in with two pencils. This is the Wet n Wild Ultra Brow Micro Pencil, and it looks like this. And then I'm also going to go in with my Morphe pencil, and for some reason I'm not coming across my Morphe pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse, which is my favorite shade. This is Java. It's a little bit darker, and then the Wet n Wild is in the shade, girl, I don't even know. I don't know, that is not giving me a shade, but I'm going to go ahead and line my brows with this Morphe Java one, and then shade it in with the Wet n Wild. Okay, brows are done for right now. This is why I don't do my brows on camera as much, because, girl, first of all, I need to do them. I only shave like the top part. I need to do my brows. All right, so next we're gonna put on our foundation. So today's foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Cover FX Power Play Foundation, and I am in the shade G70, and it looks like this. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. I like this foundation. I just don't wear it as much. I do like the what's it called? It's like a gray bottle. It's like their medium coverage one. That one is really, really good to me because it's more hydrating. This one comes off a little more matte, but anywho, going in with this Morphe sponge. All right, so that is the foundation, and I'm gonna go in with concealer. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and I have it in G Medium 4, and I will list this stuff down below as well, you guys, in the description box for all of the products that I'm using. Look at this little doe foot. It's so cute. So I'm letting my concealer dry. It definitely helps with giving a more of a coverage, but I'm just taking a little bit of this Cover FX translucent powder and translucent light, and I had this little sample one because I was like, let me just try this powder out. I know it is pretty matte, so I'm just taking a little bit of this so I can use it to set under the eye. I will say though, like side note, I really love my Sonia Kashuk sponges. This used to be my favorite, but now after using that Sonia Kashuk so much, the way that it holds like hot, like moisture from the water, I really like that. This one seems like it's drying out, and I made sure this was drenched, you guys. Like I drenched this one in the water, and it's still coming off a little bit too dry for me. Now going in with this Juvia's Place concealer just to brighten up the eye a little bit more. So what other type of videos do you guys want me to put out here on my channel? I really like when you guys tell me what you like to see on my channel. It definitely helps me out, and it just, you know, helps me out with my monthly planning on my videos, so I know what you guys like and will be interested in watching. So make sure you let me know down below what other types of videos you guys want to see. That would be really awesome. I've been really watching a lot of like videos on how to do your own like acrylic nails and how to do your different like pedicures and all that. What have you guys been up to? Let me know down below. So now that I have all of my complexion products that I want to put on as far as the liquids, I'm going to go ahead and set it using that Cover FX Translucent Light Setting Powder. It looks really blurred. It definitely mattified everything. Like, wow. So for bronzer, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer. This is in the shade Bejan Gal, and I've talked about this here on my channel before. It looks like this. So I'm going to bronze my face with this. On top of that, I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright face palette, and I'm going to use this bronzer in here. I think I mentioned before that the Fenty shade Bejan, Bejan Gal is a bit light for me. Like, I like this side right here to look a bit bronzer, because this is like it gives me a shadow, like that slight contour. So I always try to go a little bit deeper on my bronzer on my cheeks. And quick tip, it also helps with like if you're using a deeper bronzer, sometimes that bronzer can act as like a blush. But you know me, if you've been following me, I love blush, so I'm still gonna go on top of it with blush. But I'm just like going on top of that Fenty one because it's not giving me the depth that I want. It bronzed the face, don't get me wrong, but I want more. I want more. All right, and to set the rest of the face, I'm gonna go in with this Cover FX Pressed Mineral Foundation Powder, and I'm in the shade G80. I also have the jade I also have the shade G60, and that's a bit lighter, and then G80 is this shade. So I think I'm gonna do 60 since I just bronzed everywhere else. So let's do that. All right, and for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the blush shade that's in here. It's the number 3. It doesn't say like a name or anything, so this blush is bomb, you guys, but you have to be really light-handed. This is the You Are Gold face palette, and it is on Ulta's website. So I just pat that in because this shade is really pigment. And then I brush. On to the eyes. So I mentioned this palette in a most recent video, which was the makeup brand using my first letter of my name challenge. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. It'll come up in the cards up here. But I only used this palette one time, and this is the LA Girl Pro Artistry eyeshadow palette. And girl, this palette is everything. I did get it from Target, so you may want to check out Target because they have this one, and they have like this really pretty pink one, but I have a lot of palettes that have those type of colors. So this really drew my attention from these blues and everything up here. But since my shirt is pretty colorful, I think we're going to try to keep it as simple as possible, but I do want to go in with a little bit of this blues. So first off, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and put that all over my lid. I do like that this palette has a huge mirror in it. I will say that it does have a lot of kick up and fallout. And if you're not sure what that is where the powders are splashing everywhere and going all over the palette. And as I'm putting my brush in, you can kind of see it on the palette. This brush that I'm using is a brush from a not BH Cosmetics, I'm about to say BH Cosmetics, from a Amazon brush that I got so long ago. And I only like this brush and maybe a couple of others. It wasn't all that. That shade is so pretty. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go in with this orange shade here, and I'm gonna pop that right on top of it using the same brush, but focus it in the outer corner and in the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade here, so it can be like so this can just stay to a soft glam type of makeup look. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. This is really pretty. I am gonna go in with that blue on the bottom maybe. Girl, I don't know, I always mess this part up. But it's so pretty, look at that. It's so pretty. I have to go in with this. All right, so I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I went ahead and put that blue on the bottom lash line and add a little bit of liner. I never really do liner like that. But I'm gonna go pop these lashes on and I'll be right back. All right, so lashes are on. I just sprayed my face with my Dewy Coconut Mist by e.l.f. And y'all, I was a little nervous because I was like, I was not feeling this eye look. But let me tell you something, when you put them lashes on, girl, they do something, okay? I feel a little bit better. The lashes made this look so much better because I was about to like just scratch this whole thing. All right, so I do want to brighten the inner corner, so I'm gonna go in with this little white looking shade here, but it's not gonna go on white. I don't think it will. Shades like this usually go on like a gold or a yellow. Oh, I hope it's yellow. That would be pretty. I don't know what that shade is doing. Not sure. I'm actually going to use the same highlight for my cheekbone. And for lips, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to go in with my new Truffle NYX lip pencil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was probably all over the place, but these are some products that I just wanted to play in today and do a little bit more of, you know, looks for this palette. I don't really use it that much. This is my second time using it, but let me know what you guys think about this look and how it came out. And yeah, so until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.